Hello, welcome to Snack Time with Mrs. Carter number 6. 5 and 1 is 6. For snack, I have, can you guess what's in my cup? I bet you know. Coffee. Can you smell it? Okay, are you ready? Let's do this. I'm going to present to you today. Let's see if I can remember how to do that. Present. Chrome. Share. Okay. If I change, can you see these? You know what? Just in case, because I can't tell. Share screen. Desktop. Share. Let's do that. Okay. So first, we are going to do some flash phonics. These all have short vowels, and there are short vowels and there are blends, beginning blends. Bull, burr, der, fur, sul, stretch. Sm, sp, st, gull, gur, cull, cur, stretch. Ah, aw, it, eh. Now make them long. Ah goes to a, aw, o, it, I, you, eh, e. Vowels can be short or vowels can be long. And we're going to start talking about that a lot. We're going to start getting into long vowels. Okay, bull. Who can think of a word that starts with bull? Like blaze. Burr, like bring. I want you to see if you can think of a word before I do. Der. Drive. French fries. That has two words that start with fur. Sled. Smile. Spoon. Stool. Gull. Glow. Grow. Clo. No, that didn't work. How about clown? Crown. Very good. Going on with the blends. Can't remember if I can do this while I'm presenting or not. We'll find out. Can I do this? No, I cannot. Blends. So take a look at this picture. I have a blanket here. Blanket. So which blend goes at the beginning of blanket? Bull, coal, full, go, pull, slow. Slanket, planket, glanket, flanket, clanket, blanket. Bull. It's B-L, bull, ank, et, blanket. Let's look at this one. What is that? Is that a block? Is that a clock? Flock? Glock? Plock? Slock? It's a cool clock. Okay, how about this one? What is that little boy doing in the bed? See, you might think, oh, this is a bed. But that's not the word. Look at the word. It says eep. Bleep, cleep, fleep, gleep, pleep, sleep. Sleep. There we go. Let's do one more. Hand. I see a V, I see an blove, blove, cluv, fluv, glove. Ah, glove. Okay. Today, we are going to read a book called How I Pack My Lunch. Do you remember what I wanted my goal to be for Asa and I for the new year? I wanted our goal to be to have healthier snacks and lunches with more fruits and vegetables. So I loved this little book, How I Pack My Lunch. Right away, I see a text feature. I have my magnifying glass like Sherlock Holmes, and I spy a text feature, table of contents, getting ready, page 4, making a sandwich, page 9, healthful treats, page 13. I'm going to go right to page 13. Boop. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So page 13, healthful treats. Oh, there it is. If I move me, you can see it. Healthful treats. Next, I put carrots in a container. Why are carrots healthy? Why would that be a healthful treat? Because it's a vegetable. It's a great color, orange. Oh, fruit. I put grapes in a container. Stella, these remind me of your containers. Speaking of healthful treats, maybe I should cut back on my coffee, huh? Do you think? Maybe a little. Oh, and then we're on to the next section, finishing up. So I'm going to go back to the table of contents again. Finishing up, page 15. There's an activity on page 20. Fun facts on page 22. A glossary on page 23, which tells us the definitions of words in the story. There is an index on page 24, which tells us where to, it's like the table of contents, but at the end of the book, it tells us where to find things. I'm going to start at the beginning now. Getting ready. I'm packing my lunch for school. Where should I start? I see another clue that this is an informational book, that this is a nonfiction book. What are the illustrations? Are they illustrations or photographs? Photographs. Where should I start? First, I get out my water bottle. I fill my bottle with cold water. We all drink water too. Next, I get out my lunchbox. Making a sandwich, page 9. Then I decide what I want to eat. I get out lettuce, turkey, cheese, and 2 slices of bread. I make a lettuce, turkey, and cheese sandwich. That sounds pretty good. After Asa was born, you know what I loved to eat right after Asa was born? Turkey sandwiches and oatmeal cookies. I put my sandwich in a container. Healthful treats. Next, I put carrots in a container. So he has a sandwich, he has carrots, and what's next? I put grapes in a container. Finishing up, I get a napkin. What in the world does he need a napkin for? Is he gonna eat that? No, he is not gonna eat that napkin. That's for wiping his face, right? Then I get out an ice pack. The ice pack is to keep your food cold, right? Especially if you have like a yogurt or a cheese stick, you got to keep those things cold. Finally, I put everything inside my lunchbox. That's how I packed my lunch. How would you do it? Activity. Write a story. Pretend that you are responsible for packing your lunch for school tomorrow. On a separate sheet of paper, write a story about the steps that you would take to do this job. Use at least 3 of the words shown on the opposite page to write your story. And so they give you the word list: first, next, then, last, before, after, finally. Fun facts. Around 150 years ago, many children brought lunch to school in small metal pails. These days, many kids use vinyl or plastic lunch boxes. A healthful lunch includes fruits, vegetables, whole grains, dairy, and protein. Protein is in foods such as turkey, fish, and nuts. Cold lunches should be kept cold. Use ice packs if you can't put your lunch in a refrigerator. So when you're growing a baby, you need so much protein. I have to eat a lot of protein and a lot of healthy things to grow this baby nice and strong. So I don't want you guys to necessarily, you don't have to write anything down, but I really want you guys to be thinking about what are some healthy choices for our school lunches and our school snacks. And, you know, when Rose and Sarah bring lunch for us, there's always a fruit and a vegetable in our lunch. And there's a protein usually and some dairy. We're going to talk a lot about those food groups after we come back from winter break. We're going to talk a lot about healthy choices, sleeping, exercising, eating right, drinking water, staying clean, washing our hands, taking showers or baths. All those things keep us healthy, and they're so important. All those things together. It's like a big puzzle that you have to put all the pieces together to be the best person that you can be, or the best student, or the best son, or the best mom. I have to work really hard to make sure I'm healthy, to take care of Asa, to take care of this baby Theo inside. So it's a lot of work to be healthy, but we're going to talk about it a lot. So I would encourage you guys to think about, if your parents want to let you, or maybe you want to do it together with your parents, when we start coming back to school, maybe you guys want to start packing your own bag in the morning, taking responsibility, right? Helping make some healthy choices, or even just helping pack up a little bit. Okay, that's it for Snack Time with Mrs. Carter today. I'll see you next time.